All right. Hello, everyone. We're here with the version 2 of the 2020J paper 1, starting with question number 1. Now, we've seen these types of problems multiple times now across these past two tests, as well as different things we've done in the past. So it says the journey from Fred's home to his something or other is a total distance of 150 kilometers. He's traveling this weekend. He expects to be able to travel at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour, but has decided to visit a friend along the way. He needs to arrive by 9 and will leave his home at 5. So 21 o'clock, 17 o'clock. So the question is, what is the longest amount of time he can spend visiting his friend? Now, you can start really wherever you'd like. I think in your heads you probably have some semblance of an idea as to what to do here, but my recommendation, at least at this point, is to start with the units that we want to be solving for. And since it's asking for amount of time, we know that we're going to be looking for hours in some way, shape, or form. So they give us a speed. They tell us the speed is 90 kilometers and that the total distance is 150 kilometers. So in 1 hour, he will travel 90 kilometers. And then if he's driving 150 kilometers, just in general, not related to anything, just 150 kilometers, if we were to multiply across, this would be 150 kilometers over, this would be 150 kilometers times hours over 90 kilometers. The kilometer units cancel. 150 divided by 90, you can write it as a decimal. I'm going to write it as a fraction of 5 over 3 hours. So it takes a total of 5 over 3 hours. Now the reason we needed to find this is because we know that he has to leave by 5, get there by 9. So if we know how long in general it takes him to get there, we'll be able to subtract out the amount of time it takes to get there, and that'll be the amount of time he's able to stay with his friend. So 5/3 of an hour is 1 hour and 40 minutes. And so since the total distance between 17 o'clock and 21 o'clock, that's 4 hours. So if we do 4 hours minus 1 hour and 40 minutes, that means he can stay with his friend for 2 hours, 20 minutes.